Welcome to ASK Tutorials. We are learning HTML. In this video we are going to learn about the text links in a HTML, how to use links in a HTML. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. A web page can contain various links that take you directly to one other pages and even specific parts of a given page. These links are known as hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allow visitors to navigate between websites by clicking on words, phrases and images. Thus, you can create hyperlinks using text or images available on a web page. Means for navigating from one page to another page, we are using links in a page. Linking documents. A link is specified by using a HTML tag A. This tag is called a anchor tag, and anything between the opening A tag and a closing A tag becomes part of the link, and a user can click on that part to reach to the linked document. This is a syntax for to use a tag. Here the syntax is a href is equal to the document URL and the attribute list, then the link text we will give there and the end of a tag. This is an example for your hyperlink here. Here inside a body tag we given a link tag. Here link tag we give a href is equal to the URL we given there, then target is equal to self, and after that we given a text and we ended a tag there. This is how our page will look when we will execute here. The link the URL which we are given there came into the blue color here. This is how we can use the hyperlink in a page. Next one is the target attribute. This attribute is used to specify the location where linked document is opened. Following are some possible options here. First one is a blank, which opens the linked document in a new window or a tab. Then self, which opens the linked document in the same frame. And third one is a parent, which opens the linked document in the parent frame. Fourth one is a top, which opens the linked document in the full body of the window. Fifth one is a target frame, which opens the linked document in the named target frame. Any of these attribute you can use for your target attribute in your page while giving a hyperlink. This is how we learned the hyperlink, how to give a hyperlink in a HTML page. Thank you for watching the video.